Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Have I Been Pwned notification alerts for account safety, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type haveibeenpwned.com and press enter. Once the site loads, look for the Notify Me option in the top menu. Click on Notify Me. You will see a text box requesting your email address. Enter the email address you want to monitor. Make sure the email is correct to ensure notifications reach you. After entering your email, click the Notify Me button below the text box. A new window will appear, prompting you to confirm your subscription. Check your inbox for a verification email from Have I Been Pwned. Open the email and click the verification link inside. Once you click the link, you'll be redirected back to the Have I Been Pwned site. Your subscription to notification alerts is now active. You will receive emails if your account is found in a data breach. To manage your alerts, return to the Have I Been Pwned site. Click on Notify Me again. Ensuring your account's safety is essential in today's digital world. By setting up notifications, you'll be one step closer to protecting your online information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.